So today's video, I thought it would be fun to put together this eyeshadow look that I thought would be perfect for spring.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us all tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Maxine and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I thought it would be fun to put together this eyeshadow look that I thought would be perfect for spring. I picked the mint green shade from the Conspiracy palette. I've been wanting to start playing with more of the colors in this palette, so I definitely wanted to give this one a shot. Yeah, I actually really like how it came out. It's like this minty green. I feel like it's nice and light and fresh for the springtime. In the video, I also show how I did my full face of makeup with contour and everything. Yeah, so if you're interested in learning how to do this makeup look that I created today for the springtime, then definitely keep watching. I also just filmed a video on how to do this hairstyle, these space buns. Yeah, so I thought these two looks go very well together, so if you want to see how to do this hairstyle, go check that out. Okay, so let's just get right into the makeup look. So I'm starting off here with my face moisturizer. I'll leave everything that I'm using linked down below in the description. And now it's been a while since we've been in quarantine, so I'm just quickly trimming my eyebrows and plucking a couple of random hairs. Now I'm just applying my foundation with a brush, and I'm just going to be dotting that all over my face and spreading it out. And now I'm just making sure everything's nice and blended with my beauty blender. I'm taking my concealer and I'm going to be putting it all underneath my eyes, on the top of my nose. And yeah, I'm just putting it around anywhere where I want to draw some light to my face. I just dampened my beauty blender and now I'm just going to be spreading around the concealer in these areas. Now I'm just taking my pressed powder and I'm putting it all over my face because I hate when my face starts to get really shiny after all this foundation. So yeah, I'm just going to set it with this powder. And to finish off my face, I really always love to use this big fluffy powder brush and just kind of make sure everything's nice and blended. And as you can see, I have really full eyebrows naturally, so when it comes to doing my eyebrows, I really don't have to do very much, and I don't want to do very much because it's just going to make them even fuller, and I feel like they're already full enough, so I'd really just fill in the very front of my eyebrows to kind of square them off, because years ago I got my eyebrows threaded and they really screwed them up and they made it like very thin and everything grew back, but this very front part didn't grow back as full as it used to be, so when it comes to doing my eyebrows, I really just kind of square this front part off, and yeah, and I just fill that in, and that's how I do my eyebrows. So now I'm just taking this loose transparent setting powder and I'm just going to be kind of setting underneath my eyes to brighten them up a little bit and to just set that concealer. Now I'm just putting the concealer all over my lid to help the eyeshadow stay better. Now I'm just taking the brightest shade in the NYX palette and I'm applying that all over my lid to just brighten it up and give me a nice base for the eyeshadow colors. Okay, now for the fun part, I'm taking the shade What's the Tea in the Conspiracy palette. It's the mint green shade, and I'm applying that all over my brow bone and basically most of my lid. Now I'm just going in with a smaller brush and I'm just stamping this darker shade down. This is the Illuminati shade. It's really pretty dark green. And yeah, I'm just kind of feathering it up and putting it in my outer corner. I'm going back in with my blending brush and I took a little bit more of the What's the Tea shade and I'm blending that in. Now I'm using a smaller brush again and I'm going in with the Diet Cola shade and I'm going all over the inner corner of my lid to the middle of my lid as well. Now I'm just taking the color Ranch and I'm using that as a highlight for my brow bone and I'm taking my blending brush and blending that out. I always like to go back in with my powder and just kind of make sure I don't have any fallout before I finish the rest of my face. I mixed a little bit of ranch and Diet Cola and I'm just applying that to my inner corner. I'm applying more of the What's the Tea mint green shade into my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a liquid black liner and I'm applying that to the top of my lid. And now with a really small angled brush, I'm taking the black shade called My Rides Here, and I'm just smoking out this top lash line. Now I'm just using this black eyelash glue to apply my lashes, and yeah, I always like to take my time when applying my eyelashes because it's just really easy to mess up, so I take my time. And what I like to do is I bring them to my eye and I make sure that they're centered so that the beginning of my lash and the end of my lash is in the right spot, and then I pop it on starting with the middle, and then I go to the outer corner and I press that on and hold it in place until the lash glue dries. And I do the same thing on the inner corner, but on the inner corner I hold it on for a couple of seconds longer because I always feel like that wants to pop off and annoy me. And then the whole time while I'm applying my lashes, my eyes always want to burn and tear, and so I'm like doing my best not to mess up while I'm trying to like gently blink this whole process, if anybody can relate, right? And if you're wondering what I'm doing here, basically my eyelashes are literally pinned straight, so I apply mascara to my lashes and I let it dry and get a little bit tacky, and then I just pinch the two together and go back in with a mascara again, and I just apply it to the tips of my eyelashes. Now I'm just taking the angled brush and the black eyeshadow, My Rides Here, and I'm just smoking it out above the lash line again where my eyelashes meet my lid. Now I'm just adding a black pencil eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm also adding on a little bit of this lip plumper. I let them sit on for like 5 minutes, and now I'm just wiping them off because I don't like when they get too red, you know. And I'm applying my contour now. I'm just putting it in all those right spots to get that nice cheekbone and all of the shadows back. Now I'm applying the highlighter to the top of my cheekbones. Now I'm just applying a really light contour on my nose and blending that out. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of highlight to my collarbone. I just feel like it's pretty. Now I'm just taking lip liner and I'm lining my lips. And I'm going in with a light nude shade of lipstick. Now I'm adding the highlighter to the top of my nose. And I'm also adding a little bit onto the middle part of my lips. This is definitely one of my favorite looks for spring or even the very beginning of summer. I just love how like light and fresh it looks. And it's also nice and shiny and shimmery, and I always love that shimmer. Also, if you guys recreate this look, definitely tag me in the photo because I'll repost you on my Instagram. If you want to follow me, it's @MaxineGlynn. And of course, we can't forget about that setting spray.
Thanks so much for watching. This is the final result. I really love how it came out. I love the nice spring mint green color, and I feel like the highlight definitely gives it a nice pop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've been putting out videos every Tuesday, and I'm trying to get an extra one up every week since we're in quarantine. So I feel like that's gonna turn into my schedule, a video a week every Tuesday. Yeah, so if you wanna see more videos, definitely subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to check out my video on this hairstyle space buns tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.